Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to move Google Photos to external hard drive. And firstly let's connect external hard drive, so I'm going to use SD card for it and I will connect it to my PC. Then we should check if I have it. So right here we have this hard drive. Okay, now let's open Google Chrome or another browser and we need to open Google Photos. Okay. You need to sign in into your account and right here we have it. So you have two options how to move it. The first one, if you have a few photos to move, just select the first one. Then you can use the shift and select all of them. Just click at the check mark at the last your photo. And let's say you wanna move this. Now click at the three dots at the right top and download. Now open zip file and you can move these photos to your hard drive. Let's create the new folder here. Let's call it test1. And now let's check, did we have it? And right here we have these photos and also videos. Okay, now what about if you want to move more than few photos? I recommend it to use Google Takeout service. You need to also...
Do you need a list of restaurants that offer take?
Sorry. So I need to enter into Google Takeout and then firstly click deselect all because we need to move the photo. Then scroll down and you need to find Google Photos. Okay, right here we have it. Click at the check mark. Now click at the all photos and album, and if you want to move all of your photos, you can just click OK and that's it. Now it's select to all. But let's say I wanna move only photos from 2025. So I click at this line, OK, then scroll down, next step, export once, file type zip, I prefer this one, file size 2 GB, pretty okay for me, then click create export. Now we need to open Gmail and it should send this file to the Gmail. Maybe I will speed up it for you. We need to only wait at the email. And right here we have it, so click on it and now let's download it. I guess I will speed up it for you also until this download finished. Okay, so we have it. And now we can save it. So right here we have 4 folders. Open it. And now we can finally save them in the hard drive. Okay, we don't need JSON, PNG. Okay, and right here let's create new folder, test2. Now let's move to the second folder. Also sorted by size. Now sort one. Okay, and now the fourth one. This one, but I don't think so that we have something good here, yeah. And now let's move to the folder, and right here we have all of this. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.